Please welcome to another episode of Stupid Man. Things might get a little devastating this episode. You may think this is a funny show, but things might change. I hope you like it. Don't think it won't be funny? Watch.
Hello, it's me back. Did you miss me? I missed you. You haven't been here for a while. So, let me just get this straight. I was going to teach you how to do this in the next video, but I won't get to do that for a while. So, I'm going to teach you how to do this on this video. Okay, do this. And you put them together. Then you wiggle these two fingers. It's so simple. Nah, haha. You say you didn't miss me? I'm gonna kill you. That's what I'm gonna do. See? There's my hand. That's how you strangle yourself. You wanna see it again? Okay. Pull back. That guy was tough. Such a tough man. Makes me look stupid. I know. He's such an idiot. You see? There he goes again. What was it gonna do? Snap out of it. Snap out of it. Snap out of it. God, that's it. It shows a sign of maturity. Don't be mean. Don't be mean. Well, if you like this episode, if you like Stupid Man episodes, then please subscribe to me because I am not getting very many subscribers. So, and I really need them. So, or else I'll have to stop making these videos. Maybe I will, maybe I won't. I'll have to make up my mind. Well, guess I've taught you everything you need to know. Be stupid. That's one lesson, I guess, for today. Let me think. Is that a fish? Well, I thought, and I said, I'll give it a few tries before I stop making these videos because I really need the subscribers. So, I'll see you next time.
If you thought that video was funny, the video might not be funny. Just you'll have to wait. Don't think it won't be funny. It probably will be. Goodbye.
I'm on B2, you guys. I love you. Yeah, you're a great audience.